Are you lactose intolerant? Here are 9 kinds of cheese you can eat. If you are lactose intolerant, you can still consume lactose-containing foods in moderation. The key is to understand your limit. Keep a food diary, noting when, what, and how much you ate, as well as how you felt afterwards. You should notice a pattern emerge and learn how much or how little lactose you can consume. Then adhere to your limit. Lactose-intolerant people may experience digestive issues ranging from bloating and gas to cramping and severe stomach pain if they consume lactose-containing ingredients. Fortunately, not all cheeses are off limits on a low-lactose diet. In fact, those who are lactose intolerant can still enjoy a variety of cheeses in moderation. You can still eat cheese if you have lactose intolerance, but you must be careful. Lactose levels are lower in hard, aged cheeses such as Swiss, Parmesan, and Cheddar. Cottage cheese and feta cheese made from goat or sheep's milk are 2 other low-lactose cheese options. Lactose levels are higher in certain cheeses, particularly soft or creamy ones like ricotta and cream cheese. If you want to avoid dairy entirely, look into lactose-free and dairy-free cheeses. Keep in mind that the fresher the cheese, the higher the lactose content. Those with sensitive stomachs should avoid creamier varieties like ricotta or cottage cheese at all costs. Because sugar is the primary component of lactose that makes it difficult to digest, aged hard cheeses with lower sugar content are easier on the stomach. Here are the 9 most popular kinds of cheese with the lowest lactose ranges. Muenster, 0 to 1.1% lactose range. Camembert, 0 to 1.8% lactose range. Brie, 0 to 2% lactose range. Cheddar, mild and sharp varieties, 0 to 2.1% lactose range. Provolone, 0 to 2.1% lactose range. Gouda, 0 to 2.2% lactose range. Blue, 0 to 2.5% lactose range. Parmesan, 0 to 3.2% lactose range. Swiss, 0 to 3.4% lactose range. Of course, some people with lactose intolerance are unable to consume any milk products without experiencing discomfort. It's always better to err on the side of caution, so if that describes you, skip the cheese and opt for one of the many non-dairy alternatives instead. Do not stop taking any prescribed medications or treatments without consulting your doctor. The materials and the information contained on this channel are provided for general and educational purposes only, and do not constitute any legal, medical or other professional advice on any subject matter.